Hello there, this is Jon Hughes, Executive Chairman of Future Purchasing. The aim of the session is to examine category management and collaboration across local government. I think what we're concentrating on is how to maximise value across the broad £42 billion of expenditure.
It doesn't happen by accident. Proactivity pays off.
It's easy to say change the mindset, but the only way we can do that is by influencing, engaging, educating, training, coaching, facilitating, so that people say, I understand that. I've spent the last 25 years working in the procurement area.
I wondered if Jon could give us some indications of kind of best practice.
Let's put it all through that process and see what comes out.
Use category management to actually add value to the outcomes that we're looking for as organisations.
All the people in this room are very much agents of change to influence the spend. Very early on, trying to get a value map for each of the categories to say exactly what are the values that we ought to be trying to maximise, we ought to be trying to access from the supply market, from the individual suppliers. There's a tremendous amount of intelligence, insight and innovation that we actually just don't tap into at all. The more that we're influencing, the more that we're part of that broader agenda, the greater the probability that we can apply a process that genuinely can be of real value.
So we're getting a shared perception of what category management is.
Trying to open doors, trying to get your thoughts heard around the business.
Something that you would say that would really make a difference in local government in this category management space.
About clear communication and direction of the category management.
There's got to be a lot more education internally, collaboration internally.
We need to collaborate more. We certainly need to talk to each other more about what's going on.
We've got to cut back on the low value projects. We've got to develop much stronger internal links. We've got to be flexible.
Hi, I'm Liz Welton. I'm Chair of SOPO. We've had Jon Hughes telling us about collaboration and category management, keeping us on our toes and making sure that we're staying at the leading edge, which is what the conference is all about.
But what we need to be doing is welding all that together, bringing it into a proper sort of change plan that we can work with our key stakeholders, but move it forward in a way that starts to impact more of that 42 billion spend across our broad categories. Nothing succeeds like success.